So I just got a flat on the downhill from the tap, but that's not a big deal. So unfortunately I forgot all my patches and didn't have a tube with me, but I had a friend with me, unfortunately. But this is a lesson for me: always have your bike bag, your saddle bag with you, with the stuff, so you don't get in these situations. So we take the tube out. What we did before was loosening the tire with such tools. Do you need my help? And I did this once myself before when I had a flat, and it all went well, except I didn't let the patches air dry before sticking them on the tube, so they didn't actually stay on the tube. So yeah, but then I watched videos and I know now that you have to let them air dry before. So I'm learning new things. You have to check the tire with your fingers from the inside if there's something that shouldn't be in there. And of course you have to find out where the hole is. We found it, it's here. We just pumped the tube up to see where the air runs out. So easy. So you have two options: either you patch and fix the tube like now, or you just take a new tube that you have with you, ideally, which I didn't have, unfortunately, but my friend had, and yep, and so we're gonna fix it later on and just put the new tube back into the tire. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Which one?
Rice Binger.
Again?
Rice Binger.
Rice Binger. Ooh, very provocative. Cool. So it's a little bit of fiddling. So what's your YouTube channel about?
It's about healthy living, veganism, rock climbing, cycling, whatever I like to do.
So if someone wants to get healthy and fit, they can go to your channel.
Yeah.
Nice. And if they want to learn how to fix a tube?
Maybe I'll teach you guys how to rock climb.
How to rock climb? Great. Cool. That's something new. So when you put the tube back in, you have to make sure that everything is in the right position, so you don't actually squeeze the tube, because that can damage the tube. Again. And then you just put the tire sides back into the
wheel.
Exactly. And then when it gets hard, you can use one of those tools again. Then it flips back in. Great. it up. Oh yeah, first you really make sure that the tube isn't squeezed by the tire somewhere. So we pumped it up with the hand pump we have with us always from now on. And yeah, put the tire back in the bicycle frame. And the old tube we're gonna patch later on. I'll make another video on that. So if you found this useful, give this a thumbs up. I'd be happy about that. And we'll see you later in the next video. Bye!